tornado kick tutorial. Really fast, really quick. You're gonna need to be able to do a round kick with the back leg, and you're also gonna need to be able to do a jump round kick with the back leg. I have a bag here to help you visualize how to do this, so let's get into it. So first off, practice your round kick first. Make sure it feels good. And then you're gonna go into a jump round kick. When you practice the jump round kick, start squared off first, with your hips squared, feet spread apart, shoulder length. It's easier for you to jump that way. So once you practice that a couple of times, you're gonna add a quarter turn. Now, this is where it starts getting a little bit difficult. So if you don't have your basics down, you should not be doing this. This is an advanced kick. As I turn a quarter way, I'm gonna use my knee and I'm gonna turn it out to help me jump over this way and to land my foot in the finished pivoted position, okay? So it's gonna look like so. Notice how this knee is jumping up and turning out. Then you add another quarter turn. So, close that. Turn your back towards the bag. Same thing, but now we're gonna use our arms to help us. Turn your arms. Turn your knee, jump, and kick. One more time, a little faster. Arm, knee, kick. Put it together. Now, add another quarter turn. You're basically doing a 360 at this point. Quick pro tip, if I do it right here, I'm going to spin and hit the outside of the bag, which is 9 o'clock for me. If you want to hit 6 o'clock, you're gonna cut your angle by spinning down at a 45-degree angle, which will place your leg right in the front of the bag. So here's what that looks like. Going this way instead of this way. Now let me go straight. As you can tell, I end up in a different place. So know the differences and how to cut your angles, because it helps you out tremendously and makes things a little bit easier, especially if you're using this live and trying to hit somebody with it, all right? Ninja Nelson here. Peace out, my ninjas and ninjettas. Leave a message, like, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll be back with another video tutorial for you. Peace.